Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this super cute and colorful positive vibes mini cards using simple cardboards. These tiny cards are aesthetic, easy to make and filled with happy messages and cute symbols. The best part is I made all of them from the recycled cardboard. So this is also a fun eco-friendly craft idea. You can use these cards for room decoration, kids, simply to spread positivity and happiness. So let's start making this adorable mini cute cards together. First, let's look at the materials I used. I took some waste cardboards and cut them into small pieces. Then I used sketch pens, watercolors, paintbrush, black marker, white gel pen, pencil and eraser. You can also use watercolors or crayons if you don't have paints. After I cutting the cardboard, I painted each card with different colors like pink, green, etc. It's okay card. I painted the background with white and I used the blue letters for the soft calming look. This card reminds us it is completely okay to feel tired, sad or stressed sometimes. Everything becomes slowly better. Good vibes only card. The green card says good vibes only. I used dark and light green shades to create the vibrant background. The message is simple but powerful. Always try to stay around positivity, happiness and good energy. This is the one of my favorite cards, the donut card. I painted a cute donut in the center and wrote "Do not worry." It's a fun wordplay that makes the card look funny and adorable. I used the brown, pink and green colors to make the donut look colorful and sweet. This red card says hope with a tiny flower. This card represents motivation and reminds us to never lose hope in difficult times. The pink card has a cute smiling face with the word smile. I draw a simple happy face using the black marker sometimes. This yellow color says stay silent with a tiny bee drawing. I made this card to represents peace and calmness. Silence can sometimes be more powerful than words. This card says follow your heart. I painted a red heart at the bottom and I used pink letters for the text. This card reminds us to trust ourselves and follow our dreams fearlessly. This card says self-love. Self-love is very important. I wanted to create simple card that reminds everyone to love themselves, believe in themselves and take care of themselves. Evil eye card. The white card has an evil eye design. The evil eye is symbol is believed to protect from negativity and bad energy. I used blue, black and white colors to create the eye design. The sunset card is very aesthetic and peaceful. I painted half sunrise and half moonlight to show both day and night together. The orange sunset and dark, starry sky creates a beautiful contrast. Ghost card. This black card has a super cute and tiny ghost drawing. I used white paint to create the ghost and added a happy face to make it look adorable instead of scary. The white card with red drops. Making these cards was actually very simple and relaxing. First, I cut the cardboard pieces into small pieces, then I painted every card with different colors and waited them to dry. After drying, I started. These cute pink cards reminds us to enjoy the small happy moments in life. The little flowers make the cards look soft, sweet and cheerful. లైఫ్లో చిన్న చిన్న మూమెంట్స్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి అనే బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెసేజ్ ఈ కార్డ్ ఇస్తుంది మనకి. దిస్ కార్డ్ షోస్ ది ఫీలింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ లవ్, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అండ్ హ్యాపీనెస్ ఇన్ ఫన్ ఆర్టిస్టిక్ వే. Sun and Moon card. This card shows the balance between the day and night with the sun and moon together. It symbolizes peace and calmness in nature. I hope you enjoyed this DIY craft video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.